Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have with you my October kit from Scrapbooking with Me. I'm so excited, and I started looking at it, couldn't help it, you know. And I just love these. Like I said, I've said this every time, but I love these bags that the kit comes in. I have quite a collection. It's a great place to keep all my stuff that I have left over. But I'm really excited about some of the things in this kit. So let me show you first the papers. So the paper kit that comes, of course, is fall, and it is the Echo Park Happy Fall. And let's see if I can get this cut open. And we'll just run through it real quick. So this is really cute, and I can't wait to use this. I already have an idea. Sorry if I'm out of frame. I already have an idea what I want to do. I think I'm going to make my gratitude journal with this, because you know I always do 30 days of gratefulness in November, and so I'm going to start working on it in the next few days here. So, but just really pretty paper, and then it just kind of repeats itself. Then we have some extra paper too that Miss E has sent. A lot of the polka dots. Very cute. And then she has sent a, you know, an e-dauber. And in this bag, I think she has a little replacement head and some inks in here. I'm so excited. I can't hardly talk. Now you guys know, I did see a video from Miss E, and she said she does have a few fall kits left for October. So you should definitely go over and check it out. So we have some flowers, some really pretty peaches and fall colors here. And then we have a stress ink, fossilized amber. And then we have gathered twigs. And then some ephemera pieces here, and another pad for our little ink blotter. And then we have some, I don't know, the amber color, or not amber, but sort of a peachy tone color, flat back pearls. So very cute. And then we have some big cut aparts that says Autumn Splendor. There's always something to be grateful for. Oh, very cute. So that all comes with the kit. Let me leave this over to the side. I'm so excited about the ink and the ink blenders. Now, also in the kit are these die cuts. And this is what gave me an idea about something. And I hope I can pull it off. If I can stay on my feet over the next few days. I am still struggling here with the whatever it is that I have. Now, all these came in white, which were awesome because you can use whatever color you wanted to color them with. But there's leaves in here. Whoopsie. There's some little pumpkins. Little pumpkins. A circle. Some frames. Look how cute these frames are. I'll put all this over here on this. And then we have some bigger frames. I actually think you might fold this over to make something. Another big circle. Some more frames and different things like that. So she cut some frames out for us and then gave us the negative parts too, so that's good. So, isn't that cute? Somehow I'm thinking that should fold up somewhere. And then there's another bigger size pumpkin, some little ones, and some more leaves. And another tiny frame. But what tickled me was this big pumpkin right here. Now, I'm wanting to do something with this pumpkin. And I'll let you know how it turns out. you'll see it first here. And then we had some 8.5 by 11 papers. This is nice thick cardstock. And this was in Circus Peanuts. That's the color. And this one is called a blank check. I'm not sure about that. It's kind of a tan, but it's got sparklies in it. Very pretty. And then we have a page of these with owls and mushrooms and little birds and butterflies. I thought that was lovely. So this is a really yummy kit this month. And you can get it at scrapbookingwithme.com. Miss Edie did say she had some October kits left over. And you get quite a lot for the value of this kit. And so make sure you head over there to scrapbookingwithme.com and check it out. And then you can go to Scrapbooking With Me on Facebook and see all the wonderful projects and stuff they do. Now, if you become a member of the kit, they also have a special Facebook group for that too. So, it's going to put all the stuff right here for right now. So head on over there and check them out. And tell her I sent you over there. You will not be disappointed, I promise you. Look at all this yummy stuff. I cannot wait to play with this. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. And I will see you all again soon. Bye.